The CORSAIR Platform 6 elevates your workspace with multiple configurations, offering a variety of features such as optional motorized height adjustment control. The Platform 6 desk height controller has buttons for raising or lowering the desk, an LCD display to show the current height, a set button, and 2 buttons for saving memory height presets. To adjust the height of the desk, hold either the up or down buttons to raise or lower the desk to the desired height. To set a memory preset, simply adjust the desk to your desired height, then hold the 1 or 2 button for 5 seconds to program the preset. Now, every time you press that button, the desk will adjust to the height that you programmed. With this, you can set one button for your preferred sitting height and the other for your preferred standing height. By default, the LCD will show the height in centimeters. If you prefer to display the height in inches, press and hold the S button until the display starts to blink. Then press the S button twice. Now press the up or down buttons to toggle between SI for centimeters or IN for inches, and press the S button again to lock in your preferred display mode. And that's it for setting the height and programming height presets for your Platform 6 desk. Thanks for watching.